Hi guys! Welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete history in FaceTime. Let's begin. So, deleting history in FaceTime is pretty much the same logic when you are going to delete, call logs or history that, you've made on your phone. So FaceTime, FaceTime call entries can it be accessed actually. So in this case, I'll show you. So this is where I would access my FaceTime. It's located at the rightmost bottom part of the device, if you've noticed. So it's up to you how you could actually customize your shortcuts for your iPhone. In my case, I have FaceTime, but I don't actually frequently use this one. So if I would want to delete, history, you could actually access everything in here. So you have the option to like swipe and then just delete like that. All right. So swipe and then just delete, or you can just tap edit that's located at the left portion, top left, upper left rather, upper left portion of the screen. You can see edit, and once you actually tap on that, your like history would move because there's like this circle that would be added. So just need to tick each if you would want to delete, every one that you have on your FaceTime, and then just hit on delete. That's at the bottom part of the screen, and then that's how you would actually delete, history. So bear in mind as well, guys, that deleting history on your FaceTime, there would be a time wherein your FaceTime call history keeps on deleting because there's only like a maximum of like 100 entries. Like, you can access up to 100, but if, say, for example, your oldest one is more than the 100th one, then it would automatically be removed and replaced for the most recent, FaceTime call history. So, there, if you want to learn more about FaceTime, you can always subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.